Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your DOOGEE Fire 7. So first, what you guys want to do is, if you're using USB-C headphones, then make sure to clean the charging port first. So it's actually right at the bottom here. Now if you clean it with a soft brush, for an example, then you will basically get better connection because dust can easily block it. So we definitely want to clean that out. Now what you guys can do at the start, before we even say anything about like the Bluetooth headphones or the adapters, is restart your phone to refresh any minor glitches. So press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now the device is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the phone restart, what you guys can do is, if you are using an adapter, then make sure that you use an original one or a certified adapter. Now, after testing out the adapter, what you guys can do is test another pair of headphones. So it goes for the USB-C and the adapter. You guys can check it out and see which one works, or maybe check if the adapter isn't broken. After that, what you guys want to do is update your phone's software. So you guys can easily do that by going into the settings right here. Now swipe down until you see system almost at the bottom and tap on system update. Now click check for updates here, and it's checking for updates automatically. So my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version, because older versions can have a lot of glitches and they are fixed in the newer ones. Now after updating your phone software or checking it out, what you guys want to do is, if you're using Bluetooth headphones, first turn the Bluetooth off and on. So go over to settings, go to connected devices and go to connection preferences. Here tap on Bluetooth and make sure that if it's turned on, that you turn it off for a couple of seconds and then tap on it again. Now after we restart our Bluetooth, what we want to do is, if we have connected our headphones already here, we can forget them and repair them. So my headphones aren't connected here, but you guys can easily forget them here and then repair them again. So every device is different, you can pair them in many different ways. So go over and check that out. Now make sure to charge them fully first, because once I've had this situation when my headphones were at like 60 or 70% and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100% and they connected without any problems. So make sure to charge them up to 100%, including the case. And after that, what you guys want to do is avoid the device interference. So for an example, if you are already connected to another device with the same headphones, then maybe they are connecting here and not to your phone. So make sure to go and check that out. And as a last resort, update your software. So you guys already know where to find it, but you can easily do that by, let me quickly show you, by going to system, then system update and tapping check for updates. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.